Y el tradicional Café de Plaza Golf Tournament es un lugar de sabra na Tierra del Sol. Mais com 60 golfers uma parte no torneio que estava um 12-person scramble. O ganador de closest to the pin na Hoyo 3, Michael van der Hofstede. Na Hoyo 7, Pim Smits, abira ganador. Na Hoyo 13, Patrick Jaime tinha shot de closest to the pin. Na Hoyo 15, Jerry Hovenars. E na Hoyo 17, Alfonso Lendes atira closest to the pin. Ganador de longest drive, Hans Holwerda. Na do 3 lugar, de Café de Plaza Tournament que da Carla Schepper e Jacques Van Pelt com net 63. Na de 2 lugares, Kim Telemann e Papi de Lisa, na tira net 63. E ganador na Cisco Quant e Patrick Jaime com a tira net 60.
It's been a few years right now, and this year we had actually about 60 golfers participating, so it was really good.
And every year they say it's dedicated to a player or something to give it a memory of someone?
Well, this year is actually to honor the late memory of Hans Noter, a local golfer and friend to most of these people here, so it was really nice to have them all coming out for his cause.
And let's say about golf, it was a good year for Tierra del Sol till now.
Oh yes, absolutely. I mean, I'm sure you know some of the changes we've had throughout ownership, but definitely the course is in great shape, and we're looking forward to next year and even doing greater things and even more for the golfing community here in Aruba.
The local golfer, let's say, is asking for more tournaments, huh?
Yes, and they're going to be getting them. Our next tournament will be the Rotary tournament coming up, but come next year, we're going to probably have at least one tournament per month, which would be a sponsored event for the most part, and then the rest will be local events open for everybody.
James, as now you're director of the tournaments here, you happy with everyone participating and everybody who working here? The Tierra del Sol?
Yes, absolutely. You know, all the golfers are enjoying themselves as they come out to the tournaments. The workers, you know, they're getting the golfers out there in an orderly fashion, and you know, we're very happy with the changes that have been made and the future progress of the golf course and the resort.
Un pabieng na tourist ng kuwagana din torneo di Café de Plaza e finisimaki ting torneo tradicional tambe di Aruba, Rotary, ito lugar na Tierra del Sol.